Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! I think ito, hindi kinain yung breakfast niya. Kasi pagtingin ko wala nang laman. Wala nang laman. I think siya yung kumain. Siya yung may sala. Ikaw yung may sala. Yung kapatid mo sa likuran mo, Misty, tignan mo yung kapatid mo na sa likuran. Where's Roxy? Siya yung kumain, siya yung may sala rin. Huwag kang titingin sa akin kasi binahugan kita. Hapak-hapak your sister over there, behind you. Roxy, kumain ng ano mo, breakfast, I think. Sino pa ba? Ako. Kumain naman ako ng pan. Ano ba? Okay, so, alis tayo. Punta tayo sa labas. Kasi, ito yung videos natin. Magkakatay ng grass. And I will see you later. Tammy is pa-shower na daw siya. And then, hello guys, nagbihis ako kasi nag-stop muna ako at sobrang basang basa talaga ako kasi ang init guys, grabe. So tapos na ako dito na area. Nandun yung lawnmower ko doon, nilagay ko under the tree para hindi siya mainitan. So yung sa labas na lang dito na side and then dito labas ng fence namin. So yun lang yung later. Ay, ginoo ko, nahihilo ako guys sa gutom. Ginugutom lang pala ako. Kain tayo ng rice. May sardines ako dito pero gusto ko sa gulay yan ba. Maglalauoy ako guys. Hindi ito guys, lagyan natin ng rice. Konti lang para ano ba, mabusog toyo. It's close. Hold on. Look it. It's close.
Hey, Bobby. Hey, Bobby. Keep on looking, but it's still only me. Yeah.
Oh, where did you get that?
Brooklyn pizza.
Brooklyn pizza? It's hot?
Yeah.
The table, the couch, the cushion, everything. So right here is empty. So we're going to paint it later. Okay, aha.
I want to do the whole thing. Probably doesn't matter. We don't want to do the whole thing.
So this is the only one.
So we start there. Work our way out. That's the one.
Lucky that I didn't throw it out. This is for this, right? You tell me when I start, okay? You cannot go Uyuti, okay?
It's only supposed to look like this.
Huh?
It's supposed to be real dark. It's supposed to be like this.
It's supposedly be like
that.
this.
Right.
Okay, so the same thing
darken
over.
like that size.
Huh?
Not go over it, make it darker.
Oh, you can do this as darker you want.
Well, you can, you make it thicker.
Uh,
On the side, kid.
Mag-ano pa ako guys, magkakat ng grass. Look nyo, yung lawnmower andun pa. I think I have to move it. Hold on ha. Kasi nainita na yun. I'm going to move the lawnmower ha. Nainita na. Ang baby hindi dapat mainitan kasi ang puwit natin mamaya. Dito guys, sobrang itim. Tignan nyo, patchy. Pero okay lang naman. Hindi, in real life, hindi naman siya sobrang pangit. Mas gusto ko pa nga yan eh. You think you need another pads? Oh, it's hard though. Ah, you can put it down? Ay, you don't tell me that. I ask you. Next is yung railing. Ako na naman dito. Ako na lang yung magpinta. Kasi ayaw ni Tami to. Mas, ano siya, mas annoying. Ito dito, pag pintal mo, annoying siya. So, akin yan. Yung railing, sa labas na area, ganyan ako yan. Maglagay lang ako ng bra. Kasi parang uulan. Sana hindi ulan kasi nako. Kaka-stain lang namin sa floor. Hindi pa tapos actually. And then, uulan. Hindi mag-work. Yan guys, nagtatrabaho si Tami. Ako naman yung nakaupo. Kanina kasi ako yung nagtatrabaho. Nagkakat doon. Doon nagkat ako. Diyan. Nagkakat ako doon. Tapos na ako. Yan. So, ngayon siya naman yung nagtatrabaho. Ang tagal kasi. Nakaupo lang dito. While nagkakat ako. Nag-enjoy siya sa ginagawa ko. Hala. Roxy guys. Ayaw niya yung nasa loob siya. Nagagalit kasi hindi namin pinalabas. Okay pala dito yung ano no. Itong mga couch. Sa ano. Mga couch. Mga ganito dito sa labas. Ang ganda pala tignan. Look. I asked Tami guys kung talaga bang protected itong kahoy na to kasi color lang siya. Sabi pa ni Tami, there's a silicone. Ryan? Yeah, so yun. Sabi pa, because it looks like just a color to me. Pero sabi niya, silicone daw. So yan. Roxy cannot get out. And she's just a sad face over there. Almost finished. Look, it's still there, right? There's still more in the can.
No, I use a little bit left of it.
There's a little bit. Actually, it's a nice color. Huh? I like it. What do you want? Black? You don't like this? Ayaw ni Tami yung color pero I like it. Pangit ng ano eh. Pangit. Okay siya dito oh. I can't get over it, hun. Maganda. I think it's gonna be okay if I painted it white. Hala, it's raining.
Looks like it's raining.
Huh?
Looks like it's not raining.
Yeah, I think it is.
Don't wait. There may be time deadlines to file a claim.
Seriously?
Call 800-4807.
Anyway guys, so yan, nag-iinit lang, magluluto lang ako ng gulay. Tingnan nga natin kung umulan. Hindi pala umulan, Rox. Akala ko umulan. Ito siya. Lutuin natin si broccoli. Kasi we just keep eating broccoli. Broccoli. Ala, I forgot that I have this. Acharahan. Achara. You know achara? Achara. Pickled achara. Pickled papaya. I wanna go to Asian store. I wanna go to get some Filipino food cook. Not today. No, not today. They're probably done with their cooking.
What's it called?
No.
Oh, no.
No, I'm not.
Cook food, they're probably having dinner.
No. I know. So now I have to cook the thing.
Oh, you're not supposed to.
I will cook the lamb because
Hello.
I'm going to...
Hello.
Hindi niya feel yung chicken. Hindi lang niya sabihin sa akin na hindi niya feel. Kaluka talaga to sa dami. Iwan ko kung bakit parang maghanap tayo na makakain niya. Na masaya siya. Kumakain kami kanina ng pizza, guys. Pizza. Sabi ko pizza. Ito na lang yung natira. Hindi man lang, guys. 4 lang na-slice nito. At saka ito. Calzone. I don't know. I think this calzone. Iwan ko cheese at saka something inside. Tammy like it. Ang kinain ko is yung ito. Pepperoni. And kinain ni Tammy yung isang pepperoni. Yan. So, yan. Han, do you want me to defrost? Do you want me to defrost the steak?
No, we're gonna take it right away.
Han, you don't even... Han!
I'll put my clothes.
My God. Han, guys, he really is Scotch. He is Scotch. Scotch. Now, I have to call them first. No, I'm going to call them first. Itawagan natin yung Asian store, guys. Kasi itong si Tammy. Gustong pumunta doon. Kaloka naman ito. Oy, kaloka. Tawagan natin, be. Hello, is this... gusto kong magtanong kung meron pa ba kayong mga pagkain na luto na.